In a bar down the block on a stool, there's a girl and she's named Cassandra. And she's blessed or she's cursed with the power to see in the future tense. You would think that the press would have found her, but the men at the bar who surround her say that her predictions never make a lick of sense. So she sits at the bar saying nothing and drinking her Coke and Sevens, calculating the price of ignoring the sound of the coming events. And half the stories of the world are left unwritten, half the stories in the world are kept unread, and so the people of the world will never know this. What disasters unprevented lie ahead. At a desk on the phone in an office somewhere, you may meet Cassandra. So in pain from her visions that sometimes she wishes that she were dead. And you want to protect and defend her, but what you won't admit is her gender color, your interpretation of the things she said. Every day she decides it's the day that she'll finally tell her story. Then she sees all the men getting their stories told instead. Thus all the women of the world are shamed to silence. All their warnings to the world are heard too late. And so the people in the world will never notice what offenses unrepented, what disasters unprevented lie in wait. It's easy for you, you know, it's easy for you, but I'm missing it. It's easy for you, I'm glad it's easy for you, but I'm missing it. You think that you know, you think you can see, you offer up words to patronize me, but what doesn't change, unquestionably, is it's easy for you, but I'm missing it. Of the world are left unwritten, half the stories are lost along the way, and so the people in the world will not encounter anything but one perspective, one reflection, one directive, male and white and unenlightened every day. It's easy for you. It's easy for you, but I
missing it.